welcome to my channel. So I finally got all my things together for this, and in this part of the video you'll just be seeing me take down my plaits. I put in 4 plaits in my hair the night before. I had washed, dried, conditioned, deep conditioned my hair for this hairstyle today. So my hair is all ready to go. So what I'll be doing at this part is I'll just be taking the plaits out, kind of finger detangling through my hair, like combing through, just trying to see how wet my hair still is, you know. But even if it was still like a little bit damp, I wouldn't have worried about it, because by the time that I probably got to that portion anyway, my hair would have been dry. So I really wasn't worried about that. But at this part, I just wanted to kind of show you guys how I detangled before I started to make my braids. So, kind of messed up. I thought I was taping all that time, but I wasn't. Anywho, I'm going to keep going on because I can't stop. So I guess at this part I can at least tell you what I'm doing. So all I did was just part of my hair. I'll have 2 large braids in the back. I'm taking the edge control for braiders, for braiding hair. I'm just taking it and I'm just smoothing it down all around the part around the nape of my neck, everywhere, and then just combing it out, make sure it's going all the way through my hair. And then this is where I'm starting with my putting my braiding hair in. Now, how I like to do it is like how you do the feed in. You just start with your 3 pieces, and that's actually on your hair. And then you begin to braid and add in pieces of hair as you go. So that's what you'll be seeing me do in this next part. All right, guys, so I am back. My hair is finally finished, like finally finished. So it didn't take me a long time. Maybe I'll say, I don't know, 3 hours, 4 hours, I don't know, but I'll check and I'll put it below in the comments, and I'll put not in the comments, in the description, sorry, put in the description below, and I'll tag all of the things that I use, all of the hair products like this for braiders, hair stuff that I use it to make my parts really nice and sleek down, because natural hair will poof up on you. And then I kind of ran out, so I had to go to my Old Faithful jam, whatever works, you know. And then this is what I have left. The hair that I used had like 3 hair bundles in it, and I do still have it. So it's like this is the hair. I don't have the front or anything anymore because I used it, but I used 2 of the 3 of the bundles. And I don't remember the inches or anything either, but I will get that information so I can be able to let you guys know what I use. But I always use some type of easy braid, some type of something like that, because it's easier on my hands than using that real rough clank line hair. So at this point, I wanted to come back on those so I can show you guys the rest of my hair, show you my parts, everything like that. So hopefully I'm doing this right, but I want to kind of get down and show you all my hair and my parts to see what I did, because it's over. So glad I'm done with this hairstyle. So hopefully it's doing justice, you know, because I don't know. But yeah, that's how it is. That's what I came up with. And I think that's cute. Ain't this how you're supposed to do? Like something like this, right? Right. What you guys think? Cute, right? Cute. Oh, now I don't want to forget this last step because I know I'm pressed, but I still got to put some oil on my scalp. Just going to do it like this so I can see. There we go. There's my eyes. Ooh. This is it. What y'all think? My hair, see, my hair is brown. When I thought they were saying 1B, I thought they were saying like my hair would make the cut, but it obviously didn't. But you know what? That's also still fine though, because then I can know where I'm cutting and make sure that I don't cut my hair. So I always have a fear of cutting my hair when it comes down to takedown time. I don't ever have any volunteers to help me take my hair down, so that's how that goes. Oh, yeah, they're kind of light. They don't hurt at all. As y'all can see, I'm just flinging them, and I just put them in here, so they don't hurt at all. That's the beauty of having knotless. I don't know how I want to wear them, but today, like right this second, they're gonna be like this. So let me pull them back so I can hop in the shower and do my other thing I have to do, go do somebody's hair. So thanks guys for watching my channel.